Hi friends, today we will show you the unboxing of LG UHD TV. This is the 55-inch TV. The features of this TV are, it's a real 4K IPS, it has quad-core processor 4K, this is ThinQ home dashboard, it provides you cinema experience and unlimited entertainment. This is 4K HDR immersive technology. This works with Apple AirPlay and Apple HomeKit. As you can see, this is the front side where it's written front. So we have to be very careful to open it from the front side. These are the labelings at the top which shows that the front side is pointed towards here, and some carrying limitations and precautions. Also, it tells you that you need to open it from the top, and we have to be careful while taking out to not pull the screen from the center but rather hold it from the sides. And this is how you have to take it out of the box. Now let's unbox the LG UHD TV 55-inch. Now we will open it from the front, the top lid. Let's do the unboxing. At the top of the box are the TV holders. These are the two TV holders and the TV lead. Taking off the styrofoam. So this is the TV screen which we will have to now carefully pull out of the box. So we have taken now the TV out of the box, and as you can see, this is the front side of the TV and it's guarded by a styrofoam. So we have found another pouch containing the manual and remote. Let's open it. So now that we have opened the pouch, we see that it has a remote control, battery, safety regulatory manual, warranty, and the energy efficient features, and the manual, and the screw to attach the TV holder. Let's open the installation manual. Going through the manual, we see that the TV stands are here. The two TV stands, which we will use screws which are given in the pouch to attach. And now we will show you how to attach them to the screen. Let's do that. Let's open the TV bracket. This is what will be the base of the TV. The TV from the back to install the brackets. Now let's just see how to install it. So this, as you can see, is A, where the bracket A will come. And this is the slot. You can see B is written, so this is for slot bracket B. These are the different slots. As you can see, this is for the LAN, this is for USB, this is for HDMI port, and there are further USB and HDMI ports here. This is for USB and HDMI, as you can see. Let's put on the bracket. So this is the A bracket. So in the square hole, we'll plug it in. And now we'll tighten the screw. Let's put on the screws. Now we are tightening the screw. Now we will put the second screw in, as you can see. Let's tighten the screw. Now, same as part A, we will plug in part B of the bracket. So we'll now tighten the screws for the second bracket. So we have now fixed both the brackets, as you can see, bracket B and bracket A, and we will now turn the TV around and put it on the table. So this is the point for the TV power plug. This will go in here. So we have now installed the TV and put it on a table. Now we will plug into the power source. Plugging the power source. Let's turn on the power. The light is turned in red mode. That means the power is on. Let's open the remote. Okay, this is the battery that we'll put in the remote. Let's turn on the TV with the remote. So the display is showing LG. And the setup now begins. Now it is asking to press the OK button, which is this round wheel on the remote. Let's press this. Now we set the language to English. Okay, let's press next. Now we will select our Wi-Fi to get it connected. Now that the net is connected, we click on next. This is the legal notice we have to accept. We consent to the terms and conditions, agree all, agree. Now it is showing an option to download LG ThinQ app, and it is showing the QR code for Android and iOS systems. The TV setup is now complete. We will now click the home button to show the different options available for the video and all the online channels and portals like Netflix, BBC and other options. The home page is now set. You can now play any content you like and any channel that you want to play. So friends, this was the TV setup. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.